Everyone thinks the best-selling digital hygrometer is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Tempro TP50. First up is the Tempro TP50. This digital hygrometer caught my attention with its straightforward design and ease of use, all for just $12.61. If you want to keep your indoor air quality in check without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The TP50 provides accurate temperature readings with a range of 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, and humidity levels from 10% to 99%. This means you can easily monitor your home's environment to prevent mold growth or discomfort. Plus, it has a clear LCD display that makes reading measurements a breeze, even from a distance. With over 30,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear this is a popular choice for many. Now, some people complained about the build quality feeling a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, this hygrometer is designed for indoor use, and its low price means you won't feel too bad if you need to replace it down the road. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, reliable hygrometer for your home. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features or stylish designs. For the price, you really can't go wrong here. Now, if the TP50's basic features don't excite you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for more detailed monitoring.
Product number 2, ThermoPro TP49. Next, let's talk about the ThermoPro TP49. At just $11.35, this one promises to deliver solid performance without emptying your wallet. If you want to track temperature and humidity in multiple areas, this is worth a serious look. The TP49 has a temperature range of -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit and measures humidity from 10% to 99%, which gives you reliable readings for both indoor and outdoor settings. It features a mini design that can easily fit in your pocket, which is great if you're on the go. With over 20,000 units sold recently, it's a trusted option in its category. However, some users mentioned that the display can be a little small to read at a glance. But honestly, if you're using it for quick checks, the compact size is a trade-off for portability and convenience. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable hygrometer that you can take anywhere. Skip this one if you prefer larger displays for easier reading. At this price, it's a smart buy for everyday use. Now, if portability is a key factor for you, the next hygrometer offers a different approach with even more value.
Product number 3, TempPro TP49 3-pack. Moving on, we have the TempPro TP49 3-pack, priced at $27.75. This set caught my eye because it's perfect for those who want to monitor several rooms or areas at once. If you want comprehensive coverage in your home, this is worth a serious look. Each unit provides the same reliable readings as the individual TP49, so you're covered for temperature and humidity in different spaces. The convenience of having 3 hygrometers means you can keep an eye on your living room, basement, and even your greenhouse all at once. With 10,000 units sold in the past month, it's clearly doing well with buyers looking for multi-room monitoring. Some reviews did mention that syncing between units can sometimes be a hassle. Here's the thing though, if you're not worried about having them linked and just want separate readings, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want multiple readings in different rooms. Skip this one if you only need a hygrometer in a single location. For the price, getting 3 units is a great bargain. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for you if you're looking for something more versatile.
Product number 4, Mini Hygrometer Thermometer. Next up is the Mini Hygrometer Thermometer, a budget-friendly option at just $7.43 for a 2-pack. This caught my attention because it's designed specifically for those who need accurate readings without any frills. If you want an affordable option for quick checks, this is worth a serious look. Each device offers a temperature range of 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit and measures humidity from 20% to 95%. This means you can easily monitor environments like greenhouses or even just your living room. With over 8,000 units sold recently,
it's clear that many buyers appreciate its practicality. However, some users found that the readings can fluctuate slightly. But honestly, if you're using it for casual monitoring, this shouldn't be a major concern. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget and need something simple. Skip this one if you want advanced features or higher accuracy for scientific purposes. At this price, it's a no-brainer for basic needs. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more specialized, the next product can help with that.
Product number 5, 2-pack hygrometer thermometer, priced at $8.73. This one is similar to the previous mini hygrometer, but comes with a couple of extra perks. If you want reliable readings for both indoor and outdoor use, this is worth a serious look. These hygrometers measure temperature from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, and humidity from 10% to 99%, so you can keep tabs on various environments. They're particularly useful for terrariums and humidors, thanks to their dual functionality. With over 7,000 units sold lately, it's gaining traction among hobbyists. Some reviews pointed out that the adhesive backing isn't very strong. But here's the thing, if you plan to use them in a stable setting like a humidor, they're totally fine for that. This is perfect for you if you keep plants or cigars that require specific humidity levels. Skip this one if you need a permanent fixture, since the adhesive may not hold long term. For the price you pay, you get decent functionality. Now, let's compare all 5 products to see which one might be the best fit for you.
So to wrap it all up, we've got a range of hygrometers here. The TempPro TP50 is great for simplicity. The ThermoPro TP49 is perfect for portability. The TP49 3-pack offers great multi-room coverage. The mini hygrometer is budget-friendly for casual use. And the 2-pack hygrometer is excellent for specific needs like terrariums. No matter your situation, there's a solid option here for you.